Hi, I'm Luke Kohler and welcome to Making the Cut. In this series, we tackle the challenges facing job shops and manufacturers. Whether you are upgrading older equipment or adding new capabilities, this series can give you insight on how to be more competitive in the manufacturing industry. Thanks for joining us. In this episode, we tackle a question that an increasing number of job shops are asking. Hard steels and super alloys are obviously difficult to cut and like to eat expensive cutting tools. This makes running lights out nearly impossible with traditional machining centers. So, how do we program quickly, cut these materials effectively, and machine complex geometries all while running unattended? The answer is a wire EDM. Programming traditional machining processes, which require multiple axes of movement, whether done conversationally or in a CAM system, get much more complicated with complex geometries, long tapers, and micro-sized tooling. The advantages wire EDM programming brings is that even when programming multiple axes at once, you're still starting with a 2-axis XY toolpath. Adding in a taper is as simple as setting the U and V axes along your toolpath to the desired angle. Programming this can be done with a CAM system, but is often done at the machine using a DXF file for the quickest route to a finished program. So how does a wire EDM work? A thin wire is fed through the same dielectric fluid that the workpiece is set in. An electrical current is passed through the wire, creating sparks that erode the material. Many people refer to a wire EDM as a glorified bandsaw, but past the complex geometries it can produce, its ability to cut hard materials efficiently without the tool wearing is what really sets it apart. Have a large piece of titanium you need to machine? How about carbide? No problem at all. Funny enough, the worst type of material for a wire EDM machine is aluminum because of the sludge it produces, which drastically affects filter life. Unattended operations in a tool and die shop are pretty common because of the extended runtime they can achieve with wire EDM machines. A 22-pound spool of 10 thousandths wire can last a long time, and efficient auto-threading capabilities means that multiple workpieces can be set inside of the machine for a night or even days worth of lights-out production. The same principle applies to job shops. The right type of work in steels and super alloys can be run without worrying about your tool breaking. If the wire does break, the machine will rethread to restart operations. If you're a job shop with an increasing amount of hardened materials and complex geometries, I would recommend looking at the Mitsubishi MD series of wire EDM machines. The MDs are the best-selling wire EDM machines in North America, and for good reason. Built from the ground up in Japan, these machines have the lowest cost of operation, longest wire life, and most effective auto-threader in the industry. They're proudly imported by MC Machinery Systems and sold by Crotts & Saunders in the Carolinas, Virginia, and Southern West Virginia. Thank you for watching this episode of Making the Cut. If you have questions or scenarios you'd like for me to review, leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.